You want to hear 2 terrifying facts about hornets?
What?
They have photographic memory, and they always report back to the colony of what they saw. So, which means there's probably thousands of hornets that remember who you are and maybe are pissed.
And coming for you.
Yeah. Also, they could survive weeks fully submerged in water.
No, I'm Captain Marvelous.
And that is why if I ever see a hornet, I am running away.
Right.
And I have good reason to.
You do.
I think it might be a bit odd.
Bees are really passive. Wasps are just complete jerks. But then we have hornets who are just complete menaces.
Right.
You know what? I'm taking my fun away. You know what? I'm taking my fun away.
I am not getting on that. No, thank you. He went that way, I think. I saw him go that way. What?
Yeah, but still, there's one road. Have you ever tried tight walking?
That's right.
That's what that is, basically.
Exactly. Tightrope walking.
Yeah, I'm just like, forget you guys, I'm doing the fun way around this.
I'm probably gonna upload these videos to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, do it.
Well, that explains a lot. The wetlands.
Oh, that's what they call this area.
There's a cave over there.
Yeah, no, like, oh, well, wait, I'm like, oh, I'm not risking getting lost again. No, not getting
Just,
lost.
hey,
Now, if there's one place we should go if we have like hours to drive, we should go to Merrimack Tavern.
Yeah, yes.
That would be fun.
Yeah.
Granted, all of us would probably get split up and lost in there.
Yeah.
Have you actually gone exploring that cave? You'll never find your way out.
Yeah, you have to stay with the group and don't go off to the side.
But back to what I was saying,
Well-
when I was up in Idaho, we went to a ice cave where the entire, well, it was like 120 degrees. It was still frozen water in there. And
well,
refrigerated.
It was
almost.
that hot?
Yeah, I was up in Idaho.
Where in Idaho do they have ice cream?
We went to, I think, Boise.
Because I just got
Which unironically is where my mom's from.
Yeah, I've seen the ice cream that was like part of the station.
Yeah, no, this one was just a stop. It was a cave that they almost screwed up. One guy wanted to explore it.
He's a cutie.
Has like a solid door there.
Grandma?